Welcome to the Sound Shop Studio. I'm Josh Ford, aka Motor City Josh. This is our first ever YouTube video. We're gonna do a series of videos where we do music business instruction, talking about songwriting, recording your songs, booking shows for your band. We're gonna do some equipment review. We're gonna do mic placement, mixing tips, a little bit of everything, just basic music information. If this sounds like something that you'd be interested in, click the subscribe button. And until next time, peace, love, music.